Welcome back everyone. I've been in Melbourne for a few days and I've just about reached my city threshold. So where better to escape the city from within the city than the Royal Melbourne Botanic Gardens. Stick around. The Royal Botanic Gardens is located just minutes away from the hustle and bustle of Melbourne city centre. It's also about 550 kilometres from my hometown of Melbourne, which is in the Sunraysia region of Victoria. The gardens are well laid out with plenty of maps around the place. You can even scan a QR code to get a guided audio tour as you walk through the park. The gardens are a great place for a family picnic, but if you're lazy like me, there is a cafe where you can buy food. This peaceful oasis spans over 94 acres and it's a haven for nature lovers and a perfect escape from the urban chaos. With over 8,500 plant species from around the world, the Botanical Gardens is a botanical paradise that offers a glimpse into the diverse flora of our planet. I'll shut up now and let the video do the talking.
Son of a southern man, daughter of a freedman, children of the Civil War. Blackbird on a limb, both of them diving in deeper than they've been before. And down a red dirt path, covering their tracks, strangers in the light of day. Can't fight it, can't stop, and if they get caught, it's gonna be hell to pay. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. Didn't know they'd been followed down through the hollow till a hand grabbed her by the arm. Blood's thicker than water, but even his father ain't never gonna do her no harm. And whiskey on his breath, they were scared to death, and he was meaner than the devil himself. It was him or them, and you can call it a sin, but the Roanoke River won't tell. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. Stop this love. Can't nobody 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 stop this love. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight. So baby, meet me down by the Roanoke River, where the cool dark water meets the full moonlight. If we can sneak away, maybe we could be together. Can't nobody stop love tonight.
think I'm lost. Keep cruising along. It's massive. This is the greenhouse and it's loaded with tropical plants, and I'm told it's quite humid in here, so we'll have a bit of a squiz and we'll see what happens. I'm fogged up. I'm going to have to go without glasses. Still can't see. We'll give it a whirl. It is extremely humid in here. It's absolutely beautiful. Feels like I'm in Bali. Well, that's about it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Be good, stay safe, and bye for now.